Hey, Whilst Dragon Metals here. Just turned off my internet accidentally while doing this Bitcoin miner. I will now show how to get the code for that, as well as the site of which you need to use. So there's the miner that I soldered just now, and the code is uploaded too. Didn't have my Wi-Fi hotspot turned on my phone, so I didn't actually have internet on my computer. Like tether, since I usually have lots of data. So, what's this? Checking your browser, access, blah 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 blah. Anyway, duino-coin.com, this is the site you need. Looks cool, doesn't it? Anyway, various information. This thing's pretty much a fucker, to be honest, as it removes the amount that you earn for the amount of systems you have. Say you have like 20 Arduinos mining, for example, it will reduce the amount that you earn in order, but it does avoid like people using the system and effectively cheating and hacking. So there are safety sort of things involved in this. So you're not easily ripped off, effectively. So let's have a little read. Nope, that's wrong. Back. Get started at the top here. Site is actually very slightly different on Windows 10 and on my phone, which is Linux. Anyway, this is the table that you need. So search duino-coin and click Get Started at the top here. And then you'll have this table of contents. Now, when I first started doing this, I used this here and mined with an old Android phone. It's very simple, you just need to download a app, which is really crap, but it does start you off mining. Until I managed to get my Arduinos around, which can be used with this AVR miner here, which is given with the code. So let's have a look at that. Woo, zoomed all the way down. Start mining with your AVR Arduino board. Now, a lot of this is really easily set up, as I've shown you with the last video with the ESP module. That thing, with the light on it, I showed just then. But this is for mining with Arduinos. Let me show you what a rig looks like. This is my Arduino mining rig with 6 upon it. A loose one there, there's a wire. Anyway, that's a Arduino mining rig, and they are all AVRs. It's Arduino Unos, 3 of them, 2 Nanos and a Mega. Yes, this mines quite a fair bit. More on that in another video where I will show actually how to code an Arduino with this code and mine with one, because you only need one really to start with. You don't need a big ass tower like that. Now that's the screen you'll be seeing when you click that there, the AVR miner. And let me show you the folder that will come with it. So, got it here. Once you download it, you'll end up with these various zip files that need to be extracted. So you'll want the duino-coin 3.0 Windows. Click that, and all the relevant things are in there, including PC Miner if you want to mine with your PC, not just your Arduino, or the ESP module, which is the Wi-Fi module I'm using. So, close that. Let's have a look at more of this information. Raspberry Pi you can use also. Well, it's better you use that as a host to control a whole bank of Arduinos, like I am. Or use a load of ESP modules of your choice, which I showed how to do already. That's a serial port, what it would look like once it connects to the router. lots more information there. Just examples showing how much you can earn. Got kilohertz a second. You can also have hertz a second. Now Arduinos, they go from just HS, hertz a second, but you actually earn more with the smaller modules than you do the big ones. And you can also decentralize the currency, and you can trade it via PayPal or turn it into Bitcoin or Tron or one of the various currencies in existence. As you can see, Bitcoin Cash, Tron, Litecoin, CoinMagic, duino-coin, duino-coin, and there's also new ones that have been added recently as the site is going through a new update. Really easy to make your account, just name and password or email. I'm actually mining right now elsewhere, which I will show. Should be able to get onto my wallet. Let's go back, see if I can find my wallet. Duino-coin wallet, back. That way I can show what a mining account looks like, as mine is actually running right now elsewhere. Internet's kind of slow at the moment, since my phone, which I'm recording on right now, is also that's me turning off the ESP module. That's the miner right there. Very nice, isn't it? I'll have several of these along this bank, and they will mine a lot. See if I can access my wallet. Should be able to. Haven't been on it in a while. Right, let's move that away. I don't want you seeing my informations. No, got my password wrong. That does happen. I think I know why. Doesn't matter, you can't actually see what I'm typing thinking on it. Keyboard's down here somewhere. Come on. It's just slow. And there we go. And that's my account, Lost Dragon Metals. I have 141.9 coins. It's got the value there as an unknown rate, although this actually should say something here. The unknown rate means this site actually hasn't updated, is all that means. And here we have my first ESP01 module. This is number 2. Number 1 is running elsewhere right now. The accuracy is actually dropping on this the longer it's on, because it's the only one on the bank and it's sort of well overpowered, so it isn't mining as much as it could or should, and it's throwing out an error code. This flashing warning thing here, which means it's use 160 megahertz clock for optimal hash rate. So I have to up the speed of the internal clock on my ESP module in the Arduino code for the miner that is elsewhere. But it is running quite fine, as you can see, but I am missing a few hashes there. It's a discrepancy. As you can see, 99.9, it should be 100%, so I'm losing a very slight amount of coins. And about 5.52 coins daily with one of these. So it also goes up and down, as you can see. And there's lots of new things out here. That was it. UB-swap is the new trade coin for this, which should have showed up at the top, but it hasn't, so it hasn't updated. Probably because I haven't logged in a while. There's lots of instructions from the community here, like how to build rigs and spend coins. There's even a casino here if you want to lose all your coins or maybe even gain some. And then you got your duino-coin price here. It's actually up. It says there. Let's have a little look at that graph. As you can see, the price history is up. So that's duino-coin and the site. Now, how do you get the code? Very simple. Go back. Well, no, get started. That's up at the right. There. And then download the latest release is what you'll want to do on the site. Got all the code here of what the files will look like. I did show them in my folders. And you just have to simply click these links. And it'll take you to another page where you'll download the zip file. And then all the relevant code for the Arduino will be inside of there, as well as the AVR miner and the PC miner. If you want to mine with an old Android phone, you're going to have to click the mine with an Android phone here. This will take you to GitHub once you click download the latest release and click duino-coin XYZ Windows, which is actually 3.0 that I showed. And then you'll have all this code, various languages and updates and bugs, fixes and improvements. So just scroll to the bottom and there's your file. duino-coin 3.0 zip. You also have a Linux variation and the whole package there in the zip code, in the zip file and the source code. Not very big, it's 61.8 megabytes for the Linux and 30 for the Windows version. So it's all very simple to get hold of the code and to get hold of an Arduino operating system. You just literally ask Google. Let's do that. Just to show. Should load hopefully quick enough. No, it's giving me an error. That's because my phone has disconnected from my internet. Nope, now it's back on. It's on and off. Anyway, there's the Arduino. It's giving me to buy one. No, they do not cost that. No, they do not. Don't pay that. Pay that for like 3 or 4 of them for £21. That's for an official board. An official board will set you back a lot. Get a Chinese fake. There's nothing wrong with them. Some are actually better than the original boards. I know because the amount of that I've had over the years. Broken a lot of official ones, only to find out the Chinese one didn't burn out. So got loads of information on the site, way too much. All you really want to do is learn Arduino. I got there. That's not what you want. You want software at the top. So click software, after you search Arduino, and there's all your download options. Windows 7 and newer, Windows 8 to 10, including the apps and all the Linux versions, even the Mac version. I'm getting spammed by Arduino. Go away. So, easy to get hold of. Now when you click that, it'll ask if you want to donate money. Say no and just download. May show up as a virus. You'll have to turn your virus detection off on your Windows Defender on your computer, as it is a crypt package, and by nature security things think it's a virus even though it's not. It's the actual operating system is a crypt for coding microchips. You can hack your entire computer with it if need be, if you're really good with code. So same with many development environments, I suppose. Anyway, let's close all that. Let's have a quick look at that code again. That's what it'll look like when you click the link. There's the file you will get, the zip file. All these are somewhat necessary. Some of them aren't. So let's have a look at that code once again, so I can show you where to put the information in. Whoop. Follow these instructions, these sets here, as they contain troubleshooting for very common errors that you keep getting when you upload this code. It's somewhat tricky. Links here to the fixes, and follow the instructions to the letter or you'll never get it. SSID, router name, password, your username on duino-coin. You don't need to know password, this will send hashes directly to your account. So, and your name if you want one. It's also got, if you want to change the clock here, which I will change actually to true, as it's telling me to on the site. So change that to true, not false, where it says use higher difficulty. As the other one that I uploaded to is complaining. So let's pick COM5 and upload that code again to this ESP module, which will now mine an ultra high difficulty once this code is uploaded, which is what my other one should be doing, even though it's not. So I have to get that one and upload the new code to it, but it is elsewhere, behind a sofa or something. Come on. Just waiting for the code to upload. It says it's compiling. It always takes a while. It'll start flashing manically when the code is generating, loading. It's extremely bright, my screen. I have no idea why. I turn the brightness up and down, it doesn't help. It's this here from my camera. It's like a big orb of light. Come on, compile. It's taking a couple of seconds, as you can see. So quite a lot of code to upload though, as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's another one at the top, so that's 10 libraries of code. It's not just this page. There'd be a load of other libraries at the top here. You can't see them because they're all linked here. They're elsewhere in the code. You have to download all of them into the Arduino development environment via the Boards Manager menu. Look that up if you're having troubles with adding support for ESP modules. Just search ESP8266 support and it'll tell you how to do it. So we're uploading serial COM port 5. It's actually uploading to this on what? A thing here popped up. Seems to be donating. Or crashed maybe. Damn it. Nope. Fatal error. ESP timed out waiting for packet header. I know what that is. It's because the COM port that it's in is not on. I need to turn it off and on again. This is an error that is quite common. So let's try that again. The jumper has also jumped off the back. They will do that. And remember, this needs to be on. The jumper needs to be on the back, as in the lines need to be connected in order to accept code, otherwise it's just going to give you errors. Select COM5 again. It's already selected it. Cool. This USB hub has issues due to you actually need additional power for these USB hubs, as you can see, and these miners can actually use quite a bit, as well as do these lights on the hubs. Probably desolder them though, and just have the switches to the USB, which would save even more power if you're solar powering these hubs and these miners. So there's COM port 5 connecting. It's giving me an error, I think. It's this hub it is. Let's see. devices. Oh, it is there. Just I'm getting an error. It's got to be from the speed thing here. Anyway, so it did upload initially, but now it's not. I'm getting fatal error, failed to connect to ESP, timed out waiting for packet header. I know what that is, it's this USB hub. So I'll put it in my computer. See what port that comes up as. And use that one. It's COM port 6 now, not 5, so will it have set? No, there we go. It's on COM port 6 now. These USB hubs have issues with connecting to the USB port when you turn them on and off. So the code is uploading, it's flashing away. It's been there, don't show that really. That's accepting code now, which is uploading. Come on, focus. You can see with the ultra fast code as I change the variable from false to true, which is basically yes or no. Do you want to operate at super high speed? Yes or no? So as you can see, the blue light is flashing. That means the code is accepted. Different USB port. This is an old computer. And it's done uploading. So let's take that out. And put the USB port, USB hub back. I'll just take that off the back, and the blue light will show up now on its own. Well, it should do. 1, 2, 3. Yay! The code is uploaded successfully, and it is now running the mining code. So that was how to upload the code and where to get the code for the USB miner. If you want to see how to set it into programming mode with that jumper on the back and where to solder it, check the first part. Well, see you next time.